Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Involuntary movements can also be the reason of our destruction.
This would never happen. And even if it did, it would take a lot of time for the Philippines to get destroyed.
Diyan na rin po pumapasok yung measurements na pinagpapraktisan natin, kaya mag-ingat na lang tayo palagi.
Ayun na ka na. Let's get ready na. It's almost time na.
Ramdam niya ba yun?
A 6.2 magnitude earthquake hit Nueva Vizcaya last August 21, 2024, affecting mainly Lamon National High School. There were 234 missing students, including Von Miguel, and 67 dead students, including Yvonne Zarate.
Nasaan si Yvonne? Ba't ako tinitignan yun? Alam mo, hindi even look so guilty. Bakit kasi ako hindi tignan yun? Hindi ko maalam kung nasan si Yvonne. Kung nandito si Yvonne, hindi yun magiging masaya pag nag-away-away pa tayo. So, tumahimik na kayo!
Hanapin na muna natin si Yvonne.
I'm so sorry.
So you knew?
You'd have told us. Kung sinabi mo, sana buhay pa siya. Sana nandito pa siya. Sana nahanap natin siya.
August 21, 2024. I should have prevented her death, which would ironically prevent my own suicide.
naman, sabihin mo,